Well, hey, handy people, Dan here. Hey, I want to talk to you about making your own coax cables ends. So let me show you the tool I got from Harbor Freight and how it works. Come on. So I got this this Pittsburgh coaxial compression tool and 6 of the connectors. Well, I went through 4 of them, well, 3 of them before I got it right. The 4th one I used, but maybe I can help save you some time and trouble, and maybe you'll have more connectors left than I do. So hopefully, here goes nothing. So as I'm cutting this, I'm gonna leave about a 1/2 inch of the center wire protruding. And with these types of cutters, you got to be a little more careful. But there we have it. Now you need to take and trim this back about 1/4. Just this cover I'm trying to get now. Just this this when I start to see that metal. Then you take this and kind of fold it back because you don't want it contacting this at all. That's very important. So I'm going to clean this with my fingernail and get that end so there's none of those braids touching. Then I grab one of these new, because what we find if you put this thing in, and I like to get it started and put it in the tool, make sure that center tip goes into the hole. There's a hole in the tool right there that the little center tip's got to go in. So you just make sure that happens. Lay it in there, snug it up, and then squeeze it. There we have it. Next, I like to push this on, and you got to get it right in the middle so it goes through, and then you push it on as far as you can. You see how it's sticking out a little bit? That's actually good. And you push it on. And what you want is you want it to go in so that you can see it's about flush in the bottom. Then the next thing, we pull up our tool. This part's actually very satisfying. Now I made that tip too long, so I'm going to trim off, cut it in about half. Again, you can always trim. Now it fits in. And then you just take and push. Use the tool to set it. There we have it. It's on there snug, nice and clean. Tip is good. This is quite a tool. Now you can tell how much it compacts by how much blue is showing, because that's what these sleeves are made for. They're made for compacting and tightening around, and that's what holds it all together. And there you have it, one good coax connector. This is a nice tool. It's actually very quality. I'm pleased with it. For 15 bucks with the sleeves, it's hard to beat. And all you need then is a pair of wire strippers. Now you can get different wire strippers. I'm used to using these, and I use them by feel, but they have wire strippers that have different depths of cut, and you can actually put it in a different, whichever slot you want, and it'll cut you the size what you need. But yeah, whichever way you go, you can't really go wrong. Folks, thanks for watching. Hey, my thoughts on this, it's a winner, this Harbor Freight tool. I hope if you need to do any coax, you consider getting this one, because for the price, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.